Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can export in WAV format. So previously I showed you how you can export in MP3. Now I will show you WAV format. So select the track. You can Control Alt and A to select all. Then head over here to the file and then bounce mix. It will open up this window here. And then we have here you can choose some presets and export type here will be a WAV or BWF. Now, as before on MP3, you can select here file format, bit depth. Then we have sample rate. When you're happy with that, just click bounce. And just like that, we exported the file. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next